Myself, Dr. G.S. Sahu, working in the Science College, Bilaspur. I just give one lecture related to the Noetherian and Artenian modules. In our module, M is called Noetherian or Artenians if for every ascending or the descending sequence of our module of M1 is the subset of M2, M2 is the subset of M3, and in this way AMR up to the AMR. For the Artenians, M1 contains the M2, M2 contains the M3, and in this way, then there exists the positive integer k such that Mk is equal to the Mk plus 1 is equal to the Mk plus 2. And such type of the properties fulfilled by the M. Examples on the rings set of integers form the Noetherian rings, but it does not form the Artenian rings. Theorem second. Every submodule and every homomorphic image of a Noetherian or the Artenian module is Noetherian or the Artenian. Suppose n is the subset of M, n1, n2, n are the subset of each others. Then nk is equal to nk plus 1 is equal to nk plus 2. Then we can solve this one with G1. M is R modules, n is equal to the R modules, M and n are the, then M is Noetherian if and only if n and M upon n are Noetherians. Let Ri I is equal to 1 to n with the family of Noetherian rings, each with a family unity elements, then their direct sum is again Noetherian. Nilpotent ideal. A is ideal, R is the ring called nilpotent if A power n is equal to 0. Nil ideal if each element A is nilpotent. Theorem 5. Hilbert basis theorem. Let R is the Noetherian ring, then the polynomial ring is also the Noetherian. Examples: if R is Noetherian ring, then show that AB is equal to 1 if and only if BA is equal to the 1. Wedderburn-Artin theorem. Let R is the left or right Artenian ring with unity, then no non-zero nilpotent ideals. Then R is isomorphic to the finite direct sum of the matrix ring over the division ring. Noether-Lasker's theorem. Let M be the finitely generated module over a commutative ring R, then there exists finite family N1, N2, Nl of the submodule of M such that intersection Ni I is equal to 1 to L is equal to 0, intersection Ni not equal to 0 for I, for this L j is equal to 1 to N, Nj not equal to 0 for J is lie between 1 to n. There are the other three conditions for these theorems.